Welcome back to Speak English with Gene. Today, we're going to make can and could super easy. Don't worry if you sometimes confuse them. By the end of this lesson, you'll know exactly when to use can and when to use could. Ready? Let's get started. Part 1. Can. Let's start with can. We use can mainly for ability now, permission, and general possibility. Let's look at 10 examples. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Example 1. I can speak English. Your turn. I can speak English. Excellent. We use can because this is an ability I have now. I have the ability to speak English now. Example 2. She can swim very well. Your turn. She can swim very well. Very good. We use can because she has this ability now. She knows how to swim.
Fabiola Cremas Premium. O sabor autêntico que conquista corações. Uma receita artesanal, feita com o frescor do melhor coco e 100% qualidade premium. Para uma experiência perfeita, sirva bem gelado. Sinta a cremosidade e o sabor único e inconfundível. Fabiola Cremas Premium. Celebre cada momento com estilo.
Example 3. He can drive a car. Your turn. He can drive a car. Excellent. He has the ability to drive now. So remember, can equals ability now. Example 4. Now let's use can for permission. Can I open the window? Your turn. Can I open the window? Good. Here I'm asking for permission. I'm asking, is it okay if I open the window? Example 5. Can I use your phone? Your turn. Can I use your phone? Very good. Again, we're asking for permission. Example 6. Can we sit here? Your turn. Can we sit here? Excellent. We're asking if we're allowed to sit here. So, can equals permission. Example 7. Now let's talk about possibility. It can be very hot in summer. Your turn. It can be very hot in summer. Excellent. This is a general possibility. It is sometimes very hot in summer. Example 8. English can be difficult sometimes. Your turn. English can be difficult sometimes. Very good. We're talking about something that is generally possible. English is sometimes difficult. Example 9. This road can be dangerous at night. Your turn. This road can be dangerous at night. Excellent. It means that this road is sometimes dangerous at night. So again, can equals general possibility. Example 10. My daughter can play the piano. Your turn. My daughter can play the piano. Great job. She has this ability now. She knows how to play the piano. Part 2. Could. Now let's move on to could. We use could for past ability, polite requests, and less certain possibilities. Let's practice 10 examples. Example 1. I could swim when I was 5. Your turn. I could swim when I was 5. Excellent. Here we're talking about an ability in the past. I had the ability to swim when I was 5. So remember, could equals ability in the past. Example 2. She could read when she was 4. Your turn. She could read when she was 4. Very good. We're talking about something she was able to do in the past. Example 3. He could run very fast when he was young. Your turn. He could run very fast when he was young. Excellent. He had that ability when he was younger. Example 4. My grandfather could speak 3 languages. Your turn. My grandfather could speak 3 languages. Great! We're talking about an ability he had in the past. Example 5. Now let's use could for a polite request. Could you help me, please? Your turn. Could you help me, please? Excellent! This is a polite request. Compare, can you help me? And could you help me? Both are correct, but could sounds more polite and softer. Example 6. Could you open the door, please? Your turn. Could you open the door, please? Very good. Again, we're making a polite request. Example 7. Could you repeat that, please? Your turn. Could you repeat that, please? Excellent. This is a very useful expression. If you don't understand someone, you can politely say, could you repeat that, please? Example 8. Now let's talk about possibility. It could rain tonight. Your turn. It could rain tonight. Very good. Here we're not sure. Maybe it will rain, maybe it won't. That's why we use could. Example 9. She could be at home. Your turn. She could be at home. Excellent. It is possible that she's at home, but we don't know for sure. Example 10. We could be late. Your turn. We could be late. Great. This means that being late is possible, but we're not sure. Can versus could final review. Jean. Okay. Let's review everything one more time. Can, ability now. I can swim. Permission. Can I use your phone? General possibility. It can be dangerous. Now, could. Ability in the past. I could swim when I was 5. Polite request. Could you help me? Less certain possibility. It could rain tonight. Jean, so here's the easy rule. Remember, can equals now. Could equals past, polite, or possible. Let's say it together. Can equals now. Could equals past, polite, or possible. One more time. Can equals now. Could equals past, polite, or possible. And now you know the difference. Great job today. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and remember, don't just learn English, speak English. See you in the next lesson. Bye, everyone.